Wow. G'day scrappers. Here we are at the scrapyard again just to get a bit of a price update. Check out this steel. Wow. 3/4 inch thick. So today, get some prices on some copper, brass, maybe insulated wire, extruded aluminium, and some low-grade wire. Just did a pickup yesterday and all this came in yesterday from one pickup, so good time to get rid of it and get a price update. This stuff here is not mine. This is my friend's. Just wants to get rid of a little bit of his copper and stuff, so let's do it. Here we are. So, are you gonna, what's with the brass? Because if he sees that, he'll just go brass. All right, that's yours, that's mine. Insulated copper. What?
Well, the copper for what it is.
Yeah. Wow. Oh yeah. But each individually. All right, wow, this is going to be a job.
I had like my mate had about 22 batteries in Sweden. Pick them up.
Oh, really?
Global Metals, please.
Battery from Sweden.
Wow. So low grade. Still got this. Have to come out. Yeah, just got to bring it out a bit. Smaller bin. It's low grade. Low grade. And we got low grade. That's a big load of insulated wire. Good payday. Helps pay the van.
Do it, don't need me to do it.
I'll probably just by hand. Yeah, they're the slightly smaller ones. I reckon there's probably, let's take a guess, 300 kilos. I'm guessing 300. Might be a little bit high, but yeah, let's go for 300 kilos. The guy, the forklift driver is telling me, but this is not extruded, it's cast. There's no way it's cast, it's extruded. I can see all the extruded lines going through there. So I said, all right, I'll just take it back. It's only like 50 cents a kilo difference. And I'll just put it in the next batch of extruded, because this forklift driver, yeah, don't know what he's thinking. Extruded is extruded. All right. So let's see, here it comes. Do we get 300 kilos? So here we go. This is my mate's stuff. So to get the prices, Millbury copper, $10.50 a kilo. Only had 7 kilos. And then welded or painted number 2 copper, that's $9 a kilo. And PVC no plugs, $3.60 a kilo. And clean brass, which is amazing, $6.60 a kilo. So just for my mate's little batch there, $723. So who says scrap doesn't pay? And well, so here's my stuff, and I guessed 300 kilos, and we ended up getting 346 kilos. So PVC mid-grade with no plugs, etc., $3.60 a kilo. So it's 10 cents up from last week, but not as high as the high $4 that we had a couple of weeks ago. So it's still good. Even a low grade with plugs, $1.80 a kilo. And clean extruded aluminium, 115 kilos, $2 a kilo. So that's about the highest that I've ever gotten.
With plugs.
So all up, $1,594 for that payout. And most of this PVC, about 300 kilos of it, was all from yesterday's pickup. So made almost $1,000 just from one pickup. How's that? All right, guys. That's it. We're going to get out of here and go back to the workshop and keep scrapping. So let me just get out of here. So I hope that was a bit of fun for you guys. And yep, I'm out of here for today. So keep scrapping, have fun, and look out for the next video coming out reasonably shortly. So I'll catch you then.